everybody.
Good morning!
Is everything okay?
Yes!
Great, let's start our class. Today we're gonna start, we're gonna continue to talk about the cup and ball. Do you remember cup and ball?
Yes!
Great, so today we're gonna start watching a small video about the cup and ball, and after that we're going to the pages 34 and 35 to do the exercises, right?
Right!
Good, so let's see the video. We make a ball, we take a plastic bottle and cut it and take only the top of the plastic bottle. Say to me, Cotrin, what are we going to do on number 3?
Cut off the plastic bottle below the mouth as perfect as it forms a cup and decorate it.
Thank you. And who wants to read the number 4? Say, Johanna.
Open the bottle much and stick the other end of the twine and close the lid to hold the twine. Have fun.
Great.
Next material is plastic bottle.
Plastic bottle. So far so good?
Yes.
Very good. Next material is paint. Nice. The next one is
Scissors.
scissors. Very good. Next,
Sheets of paper.
sheets of paper. Good.
Yes.
And the last one,
Colored tape.
colored tape. Good.
Yes.